I'm hoping this one is as good as the trailer. I really unexpectedly, I wasn't thinking I would like the trailer, but I really liked the trailer, really loved the trailer actually. So I'm hoping this scene is as good. I haven't seen the scene yet. Let's watch it together and see how good it is. Car Crash, Marvel Studio, She-Hulk, attorney at law.
Steve Rogers.
How good is Mark Ruffalo? I mean, he's such a calm. There is a certain calmness to his acting, and I think that's why he clicks in the role of Hulk so well. Like, Hulk is supposed to be this big angry guy, and this guy is totally calm, and yet he can act out so well. It's a strange contradiction, and obviously, the woman playing She-Hulk, she is. I mean, it's Marvel. When they cast, you know that it is a great casting. I don't know how they do it.
Did not have a girlfriend before he went into the service.
Says who?
The History Channel. So he becomes Captain America, and from that moment on, a symbol of America, he is rushed to the front lines, he becomes a war hero. Then he is frozen in ice.
Right.
So, based on everything you've told me, after he gets unfrozen, he goes from world-threatening disaster to world-threatening disaster. That's when he's not a fugitive from the law, right? So it seems like he was pretty busy.
All you're doing is repeating everything that I've already told you about my friend and colleague.
Obviously, Captain America
Friend
was a
and colleague.
virgin.
What? This is Black Panther? Thanos is back. Purple, right? Aren't they the Hulks? I expected the car crash, just not the kind of unexpected. It's always some interesting conversation in movies or shows just before an accident like that. Yeah, people have become a sort of an expert. They now know what is going to happen. It's great. Okay, that got me. I wasn't expecting that. That ship was something I wasn't expecting. I was thinking that it would be a cool. I wasn't shocked for sure. I didn't think that the accident would happen. Obviously, it was there in the title, so yeah, kind of expected that. But I didn't think that there would be a ship like that. I thought it would be some kind of a regular car accident. Yeah. Okay, this is MCU, I guess. The Cosmos determined her fate for calling out Steve Rogers like that. Honestly, I was expecting one of the tires to burst and we get car crash that occurred at the beginning of the pilot to the original. Oh, okay. Did not expect to see a spaceship exactly suddenly appear in front of them. Okay, I think this is from Black Panther, from Wakanda. Some connection over there. Captain America turns the chair around and sits down. So you made fun of me and suffered the consequences. Imagine if that's really the Grandmaster's ship and all of this leads to debut of the World War Hulk in the MCU. Oh, that would be insane. I have no clue what happened. Tatiana and Mark have great chemistry. I totally buy that they are cousins in this show. Yeah, who wouldn't? Mark Ruffalo, I mean, great actor. Like, so subtle and quiet that just Tatiana is a great actress, but it's something about Mark Ruffalo and his acting. This right here is probably the most important thing to make a sure movie like that would really work on an emotional level. It grounds even the most fantastic characters and stories in a way no amount of VFX can. Casual small talk that actually feels like small talk with all the natural imperfections. She even slightly misspoke, like we all do from time to time, and they left that in. That takes courage, but it makes this short clip so much better. I respect that a lot, and I'm really looking forward to this show. See, such an amazing comment. Like there's someone like me who doesn't know at all, and then there are people like this particular guy or person who commented such a great thing, who knows actually what's going on, and this is where MCU excels, right? They have this amazing thing that even if you are somebody who is not aware of the entire plot, who doesn't know, you can still enjoy the show. And if you are a fan who knows in depth, you are still there. It's unreal how good MCU is. Okay, now back to the 70s. In the movie that came out in the 70s, he was in a car crash with his wife or girlfriend, I believe. He was able to get himself out but couldn't get her out, which led him on a mission to find the chemical that makes people strong in situations. Oh, so throwback. Worth a watch, I feel. I hope this series turns out well. Exactly. Tatiana is one of my favorite actresses. Yeah, she is an amazing actress for sure. Can we just appreciate the fact that Bruce was eating Cheetos with chopsticks? The far superior way, in my opinion. Finally, Bruce came back from Professor's personality. Oh my god. That endgame part, oh, that was just the worst. Worst. This was the shortest Hulk series ever, 10 on 10. This is the trailer I've been waiting for. No comedy or music, just a real character moment. Yeah, there are some people who are just fed up of music, fed up of MCU's comedic inputs. I mean, for everything they make into Thor Ragnarok was such a great example. They put comedy into it and it became such a great film. But everywhere. But I think that's the hallmark of MCU, I guess. We need more of these deep talks in MCU. This was a deep talk. Makes world feel more real when they question their own universe. What if that ship is from Skull and Grandmaster is trying to get his champion back? Whoa. Maybe that's why Hulk is training She-Hulk. So in case he does get captured, Earth is not defenseless. Maybe this could lead to the World War Hulk movie. No clue, but hopefully it does. Okay, so this must be some jerkward driving like in Doctor Strange spaceship. What the hell? I hope individuals piloting that ship know exactly who they are dealing with. Banner and his cousin aren't exactly super soldiers. Seeing flaming hot Cheetos to go to waste was such a heart-wrenching moment for me. Cheetos for life. This clip definitely got me hyped. Sets up some World War Hulk stuff for the future. People are aware, too much aware. Alright, I love this clip. I hope the series for sure is as good as the trailer. I hope it is because I've stopped watching MCU stuff after Endgame. So I really want to watch it, but it has to be engaging, engrossing. Probably if I came to know a little bit more about the background, I will. But until that time, I have to wait and watch and hope to be entertained. Daredevil next season, waiting so eager. Can't tell you. Alright, I'll see you soon in another one. Bye bye. Take care.